guys, today we're going to show you how to make bookmarks, and you're going to need scissors, a pen and a piece of paper. And this paper I'm using is A4. So you're going to get your piece of paper and just going to fold it into a triangle. Make sure it is pretty perfect because you're going to need that perfect shape. And you're going to cut off the axis. So here we go, we've got this beautiful triangle, and you're going to get one corner and put it up all the way to the top, and get the other corner and put it to the top. So you see I've got this triangle and it opens like that, and you're not going to need to use this bit. You're going to need the bit here. So you're going to get a piece of your paper and just fold it like a triangle. And it should look like this. And you're going to get this corner, the corner that we folded just. And you're going to put it and tuck it. And make there so it's tucked in. And you're going to get the other one and also tuck it in. So here we go. We've made the bookmark, and you use your pen to decorate it. So I'm just decorating it. And here we go. We've decorated. You can go above and beyond using this paper, access paper. Well, I'm not going to do that just to show you. And you might even like to draw its face. And it's and maybe its tail at the back. So here you go. Your cute little bookmark, and it goes onto the page like this book, and you just put it on the corner of whatever page, and then so here we go. You've made your little bookmark. Thank you guys for watching.